This is Basel Backpack Hostel. This is my room. This is called the green room. They have like 4-5 rooms on the first floor, and each of the rooms have colors. Like this one is a blue room, that one is called the green room. Then you have the orange, red and yellow rooms over there, and in the corridor you also have separate washrooms for males and females. I will check that out later. This is the dining area if you want to chill out over here. This is the kitchen. The kitchen has basics like refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, wash basin, and electric cooktop also. So in case if you want to cook your meals, if you want to warm your meals, you have the provision of kitchen over here. Then when you enter, so this is the light that we have in the room. It's a dim light. I mean, there are 2 lights in the room, but seems to be little dim for me. I don't know, but then this is a kind of a fashion all over Europe, that if you're living in hostels, then they have this dim light only in the rooms. They are not bright lights. So okay, so in this room we have how many bunk beds? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here we have 5, 6, 7, 8 bunk beds are here, and the height between the 2 bunk beds is good enough. Usually what happens when the height is low, and if a tall person even sits on the lower bunk bed, it hurts on the head while getting in or while getting out. So the height is good. They have also provided you a clothes string just to hang on your clothes if you want, and they have given you pillow cover, bed sheets, one more bed sheet for your bed, pillow and the comforter. And this is the bed. Bed is soft. Okay, then you have a light over here, a night lamp. Okay, so I guess there's a switch over here. Okay, so this light is bright enough. So there is a switch. Then there is this extension cord for charging your devices. There's a table, side table, and for these 2 bunk beds you have to share this one ladder, which can be used for both. Then over here we have lockers. So there are like 4 lockers over here. I've picked up this locker number 141, because it's next to my bed, quite accessible. Then you have some posters, you have a dustbin down there, you have a wooden chair, you have a full-length mirror here, and what more, there's another chair over here. And over here, like there are 4 beds, and there's a broad ladder given over here. So if you want to go to left side or to the right side, you can quickly go up. And each bed has a light, night lamp, and also the string for putting on clothes. Here also you have 4 lockers. You have one more chair here, and there's heater in the room. There's window with the curtains. Outside the window I can just see greenery. So this is the tour of this room, which has 8 bunk beds. So now we will go and see the shower area and the toilet area. They said like usually in these days they want people to come in like by 8 o'clock. When it's peak season, they'll let people come in by 9 o'clock through the main gate. You can enter anytime, even 10, 11, 12, but there's a second door which you have to use to get into. You have the door key and you have to just use the door key. to get into the hostel. Okay, I just have to stay like one night. This is the washroom for the males. Then this one is for the females. Let's enter and see. So on the left hand side you have the hair dryer, you have some hooks to hang your things, you have a shelf to put your things, you have paper napkins, you have wash basin with hot and cold water, dustbin. Basically there are 3 wash basins over here with a liquid soap as well as with the hard soap, and there are lights, there are mirrors, and this is the shower area. Okay, with a chair, just in case if you want to use to sit to wear your clothes. Then what more? So when you step down, you find a chair again, a bench, not a chair, mirror. You have this area. So there's a bench, there's a door, there's a curtain, and you have another shower area. Okay, this is another shower area. When you step down, you find another shower area over here. Okay. So here also you have the shower, but the water comes out just like a faucet, like a tap, not like a proper shower. Then what more? Now I'm wondering, where is the toilet? So this is just the shower area. Okay, this is the laundry room in case if you want to use it. So you have the ironing board, iron, you have the washing liquid, you have these washer and dryer. I think it's chargeable, nobody will give you free service. Then you have washroom over here, which is for both males and females if you check this logo. Okay, so they've mentioned on each door, like this one is for the females. So here what do you have? You have the toilet roll, you have some box, maybe it's a plastic dispenser. Then you have another roll of toilet paper in the toilet pot. You have paper towels, and you have water tap and enough toilet rolls, tube light also. Okay, yes. So there is only one toilet for the females. Here there is like no symbol. Oh, this is for the guys. Okay. Now if we go to the other side, there are rooms like I told you before. A red room, orange room, here this one, and then you have the yellow room there. I will not go there. And this is the outside view. This is how it looks from the outside. Right. Okay, so you're in the dining area also, like you have wooden seats and tables. There are lights at the top, and you have seats, you have something kind of a table. Okay, that's all. And yeah, this is the flooring. Right now I can just see myself in the room. This bed is empty, the one at the top. Maybe that is empty too. The one at this top is also empty. This one is empty, this one is empty, that one is empty, that one is empty. But this is empty, but this looks kind of used. So it seems like somebody is over here. Okay. I find this hostel kind of average hostel, I can say. Not even average, but maybe probably lower than average. I will check out if there are other hostels here in Basel and what are the rates. Because here I do not find more guests staying here. तो एक तो पिलो कवर देते हैं, वो आपको खुद को लगाना है. दूसरा होता है बेडशीट, ये भी आपको देते हैं, ये आपको खुद को लगाना है. और ये है कंफर्टर, तो कंफर्टर का कवर भी आपको लगाना है. और फिर अगर आप नेक्स्ट डे चेकआउट कर रहे हो तो फिर आपको बेड कवर, पिलो कवर और ये कंफर्टर का कवर निकाल के नीचे रिसेप्शन एरिया में एक बॉक्स रखा रहता है लॉन्ड्री का बड़ा सा, उसमें आपको ये तीनों चीज़ें डाल देनी है. यही सारी सिस्टम जर्मनी में भी थी, म्यूनिक में, और ज़ूरिक में भी यही सिस्टम है. So this is the tour of my hostel room. So now I'm signing out. This is me. Ciao.